No, these bubbles are still inflating. I mean, look at the bubble right now. The bubble right now is fucking insane. I've been talking to people at work at that, like that. And I'm like, yeah, you remember that bubble in 2008, 2009? That was a lot smaller than this one. And they're like, oh no, don't talk about that. I'm like, wouldn't it be better for you to get your money out and like diversify a little bit rather than just continue to ride this fake roller coaster that's just like...
Yeah. I told my dad, I'm like, I don't know much about the economy, but I feel like you're about to retire soon, so maybe you should get out high. And he even told me that his broker was like, why don't we start thinking about selling stuff? I'm like, oh. Because I think his broker felt like it was getting to a point where it's like, oh, this might be the peak of the... I mean, not the bubble's going to burst. I don't think the broker would tell him that.
It could go much higher. Like, it could go... If we have hyperinflation and the bubble doesn't pop, who knows? The stock market could go a lot higher, but what do you fucking do with that? Like... You don't have any money until you sell.
Right.
Like, you're like, oh, I made so much money in the stock market. It's like, did you sell? Well, no. It's like, no, you didn't. Like,
you didn't make it yet.
Until you get paid. Like, until you sell, you didn't make shit.
Yeah, it's true. And you gotta play the game a little bit.
It's fucking legal gambling. It's such a crock of shit. And the thing that I find scary is like so much of that is run by computer models right now, like automatic trades that are happening fucking way faster than like we can make a trade, right? Like this.
Oh yeah, you're telling me about that weird program.
Oh, where they actually put in like, yeah, because they have these. I mean, literally, some of these stock exchanges, companies, like the real estate, they just want to be a little bit closer. Because if you're closer, then you can get your trades in just milliseconds faster.
Right.
And they have these bots basically that are doing these high frequency trading, and they have so much money, and some of these companies have so much leverage that they can literally make algorithms move stocks and move prices of minerals or whatever you want to, whatever the fuck they're trading that day, futures, whatever the fuck it is. And yeah, they can move things, which is like, well, then the market's rigged.
Clearly.
But everyone's like, it's still going up, so who cares?
Everyone party.
Everyone party. Until it's like musical chairs? Oh, this is great, everyone's got a chair, we're dancing now, and then the music stops. And it's like one person sits down and everyone else falls. It's like, what the fuck? It's like,
there are more chairs than this.
No, you didn't grab your seat.